What's going on, guys? My name's Chitty the Train Spotter, and I'm hoping you have a great day as always. Now today, I'm starting to do vlogs now, and as you notice, I'm starting to do weekly live streams. So I'll do live stream from Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday, my live stream will start at 5 PM, and then on Saturday my live stream will start at 8 PM. And then you will have an upload from me on Saturday and on Sunday. So I have a feeling this video will go out on Saturday. No, actually Sunday. So yeah, today we are playing Who's Most Likely To. Now I have 8 questions, and we're gonna see who's most likely to. So I have 8 questions here on my phone. Right, the first question is, who's most likely to get arrested? I'd say you, actually. I'd say you, actually. Yeah. Right. The next one is, who's most likely to ignore a phone call on purpose? I'd say you. Well, I have kind of done that in the past, so I think I'll kind of do that. Yeah. Right. The next one is...
Can we put both names up?
Yeah, you can do that.
Oh, okay. I didn't know.
Right. The third one is, who's most likely to die in a scary movie?
In a scary movie? Oh, that would have to be...
I'd say you! Right. The 5th one is, who's most likely to... Oh no, hold on. Yeah.
4th one.
And who's most likely to spend all of their money on something stupid? Me. Yeah. Yeah. But always, yeah. I'm stupid like that, aren't I?
Yes.
Yeah. Right.
Buy and then think later.
Yeah. Right, and the next one is, who's most likely to make it to Hollywood? We live in the UK, by the way. You say me?
Yes.
Me?
Yes.
I really want to go to America, so yeah, I would say me. Yeah. Right. Who's most likely to marry a celebrity? It's always me, isn't it?
I was about to say, isn't there one for me yet?
Yeah. Who's most likely to buy themselves a birthday gift?
Actually, I've done that in the past as well.
Have you?
Yes.
Yeah, okay then. Right, the last one. Who's most likely to run over one of our cats?
Because I'm the driver.
You're the one driving. Right. So, have you got any questions up in your mind you want to do? Because this is quite a short video.
No, but I enjoyed that one, and perhaps if there's any more further questions, we can do that again.
Yeah, so also tomorrow, Mummy, we are going to do Would You Rather.
Would you rather? Right.
Yes.
What time is that going to be?
Well,
By 11 o'clock?
I don't know. So,
Okay.
so yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow, and I'll see you guys because I'm doing this half an hour before I do the live stream. So yes. So yeah, let's do it. So thank you very much for watching.
See you all.
It's Amanda and Kieran out. Peace.